Hey, what's up guys, my name is Andrew on YouTube, how are you? So today guys, I'm back yet again with my second video regarding TAI Robotic.com, binary options is auto trading software, okay? So please guys, if you didn't watch my previous video, I would highly recommend you to watch my yesterday's video where I placed my first trade. But actually to my surprise guys, remember I cut my video last night because there was one trade placed which was USD JPY. And interestingly enough, guys, I actually got 3 trades placed after my video, you know. So after my video, the auto trader was still running, you know, and the auto trader took another 2 trades. So last night, in really short period of time, software placed automatically 3 trades for me. And here we are. The one of the trades was only showcased yesterday on a video because after I cut my video, it placed another 2 trades, which was quite interesting, you know. So here we go, guys. And so what we got? So we got the GBP JPY, USD JPY, and Euro USD trades. Interesting enough. So guys, interestingly enough, for example, guys. If some of these trades, for example, you can't see on your broker's platform, then simply what you do is, what I've done is, I simply logged out and logged in again. And when I did that log in again, when I logged in again, then I was able to see those trades. So don't worry, guys. Sometimes you can see trades on your broker's platform, but not on your auto trading platform, you know. So basically, just log in again, log out and log in again. Anyway guys, okay, so first things first, for those who haven't seen my previous videos, you might be wondering what the hell is all this about. So TAI-Robotic.com is new binary options auto trading software, which will place, which is completely for free, guys. So if you sign up, you'll be assigned to a broker, and when you open your broker's account, you'll be able to activate this auto trader, okay? And after you activate your auto trader and you can turn it on, you can set your settings and it will place trades automatically for you. Yeah, so here we go, guys. So yesterday, just by turning on the auto trader, okay, I was already able to generate $53.75. So anyway, so let's see what will I'm gonna turn the auto trader on now, and we're gonna see what kind of trades it will place. I will give it a little bit of time, so we're gonna see. So anyway, guys, so just before jumping in, what settings should we use? So this is the settings window here, guys, okay? So my initial deposit was $250, okay? And here you can actually pick those assets you want the auto trader to trade. So you see these assets here. But as you can see, guys, they are all currency pairs. And they are all high volatility currency pairs. Remember, guys, that yesterday I shared you my personal list of the currency pairs that I personally trade in Forex. And interestingly enough, these are most of these trades are actually most of those assets, most of those currency pairs are actually the ones that I personally trade myself using Forex. Why? Because honestly, guys, because these currency pairs are the most volatile ones, the most reliable ones out there. You know, like we don't want to trade. We don't want to trade like ZAR or Indian rupees, you know. I have nothing against Indian rupees, but you know, regards volatility and regards the trading, you know, these are the assets we tend to avoid, you know. Well, I trade Forex for the past 4.5 years, so I don't have anything against these currencies, but you know, people who trade for a long time, people who trade for a long time, they tend to trade with high volatility assets, so that's it, you know. And what do you mean by high volatility assets? Like Euro USD, USD JPY, Euro JPY, you know, these assets right here. So here we have 12 assets, and these are the most volatile and most reliable assets out there, you know. Anyways, so but guys, if you want to trade only Euro USD, for instance, okay, you can do so. You can switch these all off, and you can only leave Euro USD or USD JPY if you like, you know. For example, you know that the recommended trading hours with the auto trader are at 9 AM to 7 PM GMT, okay? So also, you know, guys, that we usually go to investing.com. and we go to economic calendar, okay, so we go to news, economic calendar, and then we check that there are no tradable news for the next 30 minutes. For example, if there was a tradable news, for example, for the euro for next 30 minutes, okay, which means that we could still use the auto trader, okay. Let's go back. Which means we can still use the auto trader, but all we have to do is we have to just deselect those assets having euro currency in it. So for example, okay guys, just want to say, for example, if there was a tradable news in the next 30 minutes, which means I want to avoid trading during tradable news, but I still want to trade. So I basically select all those assets not having that are not having euro currency in them. So I would basically deselect euro JPY, euro GBP, and euro USD, which means that I can still trade with all the other assets, you know. Which means I don't need to waste my time. Waiting for those tradable news to expire, you know, to be released. I can basically trade all the other currencies, you know. So this is really, really nice, and I haven't seen anything like this before on any other binary options or forex trading software, you know. I haven't seen anything like this on even on the Expert Advisor application on MetaTrader 4. So it's really, really nice to see. And again, guys, the recommended settings are daily stop loss, leave it at 50, which means that if you get 2 losing trades one after another, the auto trader will stop. And then in daily investment is 250. Why? Because 250 was my minimum initial deposit. And now then the currency's investment is $25 per trade. Why? Because my assigned broker is having $25 minimum per binary options trade. So this is the minimum I can invest per each trade. So here we go, guys. Yeah. So I just wanted to explain you this once more because this is really, really important, guys. You know, the next video, guys, I'm gonna talk about these exponential moving averages and these indicators, RSI, EMA. You know, these are really important as well. But for now, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually turn the auto trader on. So let's turn it on. All you have to do, guys, is you sign up, you'll be assigned to a broker automatically, and then you can just turn the auto trader on like so. And the auto trader will start placing trades for you, guys. So here we go. The auto trader is on at the moment, and it's scanning the market. It's scanning the market behind the software, and whenever it sees the opportunity within these currency pairs, it's gonna start placing trades on those currency pairs. Either call or put trade. I mean, either up or down trade, you know. So here we go. Okay, guys, I will give it a couple of minutes, and then we're gonna see what kind of trades it's gonna place, you know. Okay, guys, I'm back after just a couple of minutes. About 3 to 4 minutes, and after 3 to 4 minutes, auto trader placed, as we can see, 3 open trades. So we have 3 open trades now, okay, placed by the auto trader, okay, automatically. So I would highly recommend. So if you're interested, guys, if you're a newbie and you're looking for binary options auto trader, I would highly recommend you to check it out, guys, because people keep emailing us, telling us that the ITM ratio is really, really high, above 80%. And people are able to profit, you know, and it's really great because, especially, guys, if you don't have a time, you know, to trade manually, you can just basically take your phone and you can turn the auto trader on. Make sure, guys, that you turn it on during recommended trading hours. Anyway, guys, so we have 3 trades at the moment placed. Okay, nice. So let's just take a look at those. Okay, so we have a USD CAD, Euro GBP, and USD JPY. Well, nice. 2 of them are in the money already. And so, but it's too early to judge. We still have 15 minutes to go from now. So here we go. So 3 trades placed in about around 4 minutes time, you know, after I turn it on. And so here we go, guys. I'm really, really curious. Maybe auto trader will place any more trades. We will see. But yeah, so far it looks really, really good, guys. I mean, I'm curious about the results. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at the results. So 3 trades placed, and yeah. So I'm gonna leave it now. When the trades will expire, whenever there will be a new trade, I will turn the camera back on again just to see But so far, yeah, so far, okay, our balance has been decreased to 228 because we just invested, software just invested $75 for 3 trades, $25 each. So yeah, so really nice. So as you can see, guys, it's really easy to use. So you don't need to do anything, you know. But make sure that you have the stop loss and your daily investment settings, you know, set. And also here are and also, guys, here are the currency pairs. Please do not trade those currencies if you see the 3 bull news, you know. Anyway, guys, yeah, we're gonna take a look at the results later. What's up, guys? I'm back, but the trades are not expired yet. The trade is not expired yet, but there was one more trade placed by the auto trader itself. So here we go. So now we have 4 trades. So now we have a GBP USD, USD CAD, Euro GBP, and the USD JPY. Here we go, guys. And my initial balance now is 203.75 because. Yes, because it placed. Oh yes, because there are 4 open trades at $25 each. So yeah, so here we go, guys. So as you can see, guys, it's really easy to use. I mean, and this would be probably one of the best softwares for those who are complete newbies, you know, because here you don't need to analyze the charts or graphs or anything like that, you know. Here everything is done for you. And yeah, so this is really nice to see, and that's why this is probably the reason why TAI Robotic software, this software right here, why it's becoming so popular and viral over the internet. Probably because it's one of the easiest softwares to use, and also it has really good ITM accuracy, profitability rate, and this is really nice to see, you know. So anyway, I'm gonna wait for those trades to expire. And we're gonna take a look at the result, but just meanwhile, let's just take a look at maybe some charts, how it's placing. Let's just pick any, I don't know, any of these. So Euro, GBP, USD, CAD, whatever. So USD, CAD, just for instance, USD, CAD, and let's just take a USD. Yeah, these are the charts you can use on my website, guys. When you go to binaryoptionsarmy.com, this is my website. Go to free charts and you can use my free charts powered by TradingView. And yeah, so let's just take a look at these. So let's just take a look at where the trade was placed. So sorry, the broker, USD CAD. Okay, so the strike rate 1.32366, 1.32. Okay. So it placed at 1.32. 366, was it 366? Let's just analyze it. Okay, sorry. Let's just analyze it. Okay, 2366. Okay, so 2366 was here. 32366 was up here. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay, so it was here, and we want to see why did it place such a trade. But as I can see it right now, or some of my students will say straight away, why did it place the trade? Of course, this was a nice put trade. Why? Because look at this level at 3600, 366, okay? This level right here, 365, it doesn't matter, 1 pip. This is what? This is our major resistance, guys. We see the price touched the same level here and here multiple times, and it reversed back down. But then it was broken once here. It was broken in here. And then it was broken by the news releases, as you can see, because of the spikes. But you see the candle opened and closed on the line. Okay, so the candle did not open above our resistance level. You see, this is our level right here. And where did the candle open? The candle opened and closed on the line, on our resistance line, which means that this is not our support. When the resistance is broken, it becomes our support. But our resistance was not broken in here. These 2 candles, you see these 2 bodies, okay, were on the line. The new candle did not open above our resistance line, which means it's not our support. And if it's not our support, it's still our resistance. And this is perfectly demonstrated according to our auto trader, okay, guys. Sorry, here, yeah. So really nice trade. So here we go. I hope you understand what I'm talking about, because this is our resistance, okay. Beautiful. Sorry, not here. Here, this is the level here, 366. Yeah, here. So the price touched that level, and it was considered as a put trade. Nicely done by the auto trader, I can say. Nicely done by the auto trader itself. Really, really nice. And now the price is just going down, you know, but this was our level here, so it's already deep in the money, you know, deep in the money. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna wait for those trades to expire, and then we're gonna take a look at the results. But again, guys, I'm telling you this again and again. Education is the key, guys. Education is really important, and it's really important to see why software is placing those trades. You know, it's really to see why. And now I can see why USD CAD put trade was placed for this instance. Okay, let me know, guys, if you want me to talk more about the price action and the technical analysis, because this is really important to know and to understand. Anyway, guys, thanks again, and we're gonna take a look at the results, okay, in a second, in a few minutes, whenever they will expire. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back, and my trades are expired. So my initial balance at the moment is 362.25. 360.25, so profit is already over $100 in such short session, you know. Like from yesterday I only turned it on, and now I also turned it on, and in 20 minutes time we generated let's just take a look at the results, okay. So 362.25, okay, so let's take a look at the results. Okay, so these are the expired positions, guys, for today. So we got 4 positions. Okay, interestingly, so we get 1 die and 3 wins. So you see this one, GBP USD, this one was a TAI. Let's just take a look. So the strike rate, so the entry level price was 1.27344, and it ended up at 1.27344. So we got a TAI. When you get a TAI, guys, you get your investment money back, you know. So it's we invested 25, so we get 25 back. But then, guys, we got 3 wins in a row as well. So here we go, nice. So we got 3 wins in a row and 1 TAI. And really nice. So really good results, guys. I mean, I will actually leave it on. I will leave it on, you know, and I will just leave it on for another few hours and see how many trades it will take. Because I check other people who use, you know, they claim that they are able to generate up about 15 trades per day. 15 trades per day with 85-86% accuracy rate. So this is really good accuracy rate, guys. Which is definitely promising, you know, and that's why it's becoming so viral and so popular, you know, over the internet, because it's generating a high number of profitable trades. Anyway, guys, thanks again for watching this video. If you have any questions, guys, please email me at binaryoptionsarmy@gmail.com. And remember, guys, that you're not alone. You can email me with any questions. All the questions will be answered, guys. And yeah, guys, and please, if you signed up, guys, please share me your results. Please email me your results, because maybe in the next upcoming videos next week I'm actually going to showcase the results from my subscribers. You know, it'll be really interesting to see. Really interesting to see what is your personal ITM rate. Now people are claiming that the ITM winning ratio is above 80%. Most people claim that the ITM rate is about 85-86%, which is really nice, really high. Yeah, guys, anyway, thanks again for watching this video. Remember, guys, please stick to the rules and the settings, you know. Don't gamble around. This, guys, is not a gambling. This is investment industry, investment tool, which generates nice profits. So please don't gamble and trade responsibly. Also, guys, remember that do not trade during tribal news. So be safe, guys, be safe. And yeah, guys, thanks again for watching this video. Well, if you're interested, guys, check it out. Check the presentation video. So the secure registration link is below this video. The software, guys, is completely for free. Okay, it's already asking me to confirm the auto trading, you know. Yeah, I'm going to leave it on, and I'm gonna leave it on, and I'm gonna see how many trades it's gonna place. I want to get at least about 10-15 trades like my other subscribers. So I'm gonna leave it on. Anyway, guys, thanks again for watching this, and yeah, if you want to check it out, check it out. If not, it's fine. But still, guys, please like and subscribe to my channel. Please click on that subscribe button, because I will keep you updated with everything. You know, I keep monitoring other blogs, and I keep monitoring other people's success with the software. And you know, guys, that most softwares out there are scams. There are only a handful of legitimate and profitable binary option trading services out there, and TAI Robotic is one of them, guys. So yeah. Anyway, guys, thanks again, and see you again next time. Bye.